Okay, in my last video, I spoke about you finding the must-know concepts that always come in the exam, so that when you go into the exam, what you have studied is what has actually come, is what is being examined. So now how do you do that? If you have final year exam past papers, you can collect as many as you have and then do what I'm about to show you. If you don't, you can download this application, Past Papers ZM, this one. You can find as many past papers as you want as far back as 2010 in various subjects using this application. So let's take, for example, grade 7 mathematics 2023. So let's see if we can pick two concepts and see if those concepts are must-know concepts. How do we know that? Those papers, those concepts will be repeated. They will show up 100% of the time in the papers, or at the very least 80% of the time. So let's get into it. Number one, question one, the perimeter of the following trapezium is. So this question is talking about the concept of calculating for the perimeter of a given shape. Then this other question, let's say, okay, question 11. The graph shows the number of bags of maize harvested by a farmer in 5 days. This one is talking about a graph, you understanding a graph and answering questions that follow. So perimeter and the graph. Let's go to 2022. Let's see if we will find these same concepts in the next paper. Okay, question 2. The graph shows the number of pens sold by a woman from Monday to Friday. So this is a question on the graph, meaning it has passed this test. Let's see if we can find a question on perimeter. Perimeter. Okay, 57. The perimeter of the parallelogram below is. So we have found both those questions. Let's see if we can test with another question paper. This time, let's get into 2021. As you can see, question 3 is on the graph. Now let's see if we can find one on the perimeter. Okay, this one doesn't seem to have the concept of the perimeter. So let's see if we can go to the next one. 2020. Okay, so 2020, question 9. The perimeter of the shape below is. So the concept of the perimeter has come back again. The graph, question 24. So by doing this, going through paper by paper, you will find the concepts that are always included in the exam papers. As such, you can get rid of luck by finding these must-know concepts, these concepts that always show up, and then prioritize them. Start studying them first. After you are done with these must-know concepts, then you can go in the other directions. So this is how you can do it for grade 7. I'm going to make another video for grade 12 so that you can see that you can do the same exact thing.